Calvary greetings, beloved of the Lord out there. Once again, you are welcome to Counselor TV with Sister Rejoice. We are still on the theme, How to Make Your Marriage Excel, Episode 4. We take 2 points as usual. Number 1 being, do not ever assign anyone to give your husband attention, be it your sister, a relative, or a friend. People may do everything else, but your husband is your own responsibility. Too many strange things are happening in people's home nowadays, and you won't want such to happen in your own home, would you? Let us look at Genesis 21 verse 9 to 11. And Sarah saw the son of Hagar, the Egyptian, which she had borne unto Abraham, mocking. Wherefore she said to Abraham, Cast out this bondwoman and her son, for the son of this bondwoman shall not be heir with my son, even with Isaac. And the thing was very grievous in Abraham's sight, because of his son. Now confusion has entered the home, but thank God who intervened quickly. Dear married sisters under God, if you allow any strange woman into your own home, you will become a laughing stock to all and sundry. Point number 2. Do not ever blame your husband if ever he returns home with nothing. Do not ever blame him. You should rather encourage him instead of killing his morale. A woman lived with her jobless husband in Dublin, Ireland, with just €188 as support from the government. Each time her husband returns home from the gym after a hard day's training, she receives him home, encourages him, and takes care of him. They have been together for 8 years now, and today, that very man is a world champion in mixed martial arts with millions of dollars to his credit. Dear sisters in the Lord, despise not the days of your husband's little beginning. Let us look at Proverbs 31 verse 10 to 12. Who can find a virtuous woman? For her price is far above rubies. The heart of her husband does safely trust in her, so that he shall have no need of spoil. She will do him good and not evil all the days of his life. Dear married sisters under God, I believe you have grabbed something. Until we see next video, please be forthcoming in your marriages. God bless you. Shalom.